Welcome. In front of me is an Honor X8, and today I'll show you how we can hard reset this device through recovery mode in order to get rid of things like screen locks. Before I get started, I'm going to quickly lock the device and you'll be able to see that I do have a pattern set, and I'll progress from the lock screen as though I don't know my own pattern. So to get started, we'll need to turn off our device by holding the power key or power key and something. See which combination that is on this phone. Okay, so it's just power button. So you hold it, then I'm gonna select power off. Now once the phone turns off, you then want to hold power key and volume up at the same time. When you see the Honor logo, let go of the power key, but keep holding volume up. There we go. And as you can see, it boots us into recovery mode. Now in here, all we need to do is select clear data, and then we're gonna select the first option, factory reset. It will tell us that we need to confirm this. Now to confirm it, all we need to do is type here what it says, yes. So YES. Factory reset, and it will begin removing all the data from the device. Now at this stage it's gonna get to like I think 20%, and it's gonna be automatically finished, if I remember correctly. So we'll see, yep, there we go. And once it's finished, we're gonna go back, and then we're gonna select restart. This will reboot the device and continue the process of resetting the device in the background. Now because it's continuing the process, it will take the device a little bit longer to boot back up. But once it's completed, we will be presented with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is finished, and we can now set up our device however we want. Now, before I do so, I'm just going to quickly take out the SIM card which is in this device. So, go. And you can see that it requires no verification anymore, like it was at the beginning. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.